ठीक है, started.
Okay.
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. Good evening, gentlemen. Let us commence the correction session of TAT, Thematic Perception Test. Okay, शुरू करो भाई. Let us start. Show the picture.
Gentlemen, just let me know the picture which you have written the story. I will present accordingly.
That one, one boy and one lady standing, second or third picture.
Just let me see.
हाँ ये वाला नहीं, लड़का और लड़की जो खड़े हैं.
Okay.
Yes sir, this picture sir.
हाँ, ये कैंपस के सामने का सीन है और दो लेडीज काम कर रही हैं, उनके सामने ये लड़के लड़की खड़ी हैं. एक लड़का एक लड़की है और देखो कॉलेज का कैंपस है क्या?
सर
किसी
कोई
कॉल आ
कॉलोनी
रही
का
है क्या?
कैंप.
एक मिनट.
सर आप म्यूट है सर.
माइक ऑफ है सर आपका.
हाँ सर.
Yeah. Not the situational interpretation of the stimulus is, this is a scene of a college campus. At the front of the college campus, a girl and boy is standing, and both are talking together. The girl is listening, and boy is conversing something to her or with her. And on the left side of the boy, two women are working on the ground. Except that no human settlement or no environment is shown. Dress code is, the girl is in salwar suit and the boy is in pant shirt. Both are qualified. These boys are above the graduation level, not less than post graduation, or MBA or BTech, etc. चलो शुरू करो. किसी ने लिखा है तो बताओ.
हाँ सर मैंने लिखा है सर. निगम सर.
ओके.
हाँ सर. सुमित 24, रिसर्च स्कॉलर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स डिपार्टमेंट at Ravensa University, Cuttack. He was appointed under Ministry of Women and Child Development to gather data and submit a report on unpaid female labor within 15 days. He discussed with his colleagues and they divided themselves into four groups of two each. They went to different locations and they covered rural, suburban, slum and urban areas for the survey. After collecting 50 samples from each location, they found out that 80% of slum and 75% of rural women were working 4 hours extra apart from their regular job. After finalizing, they submitted the report, which was accepted for NHFS data.
देखो ये 9 लाइन की स्टोरी, ये 11 लाइन की है.
सर 11 लाइन है सर.
I am partly convinced with this story. आपको having this mental qualification, this level of mental qualification, and having got selected once, you should have gone above this level. देखो कि ये highly qualified boy and girl both are talking together. The boy is convincing, and girl is listening. Or in front of them, there is a big institute university or the postgraduate college. Beside left side of the boy, at the left side of the young man, two women are working. तो अब बॉन्डेड लेबर पर की भी स्टोरी अब बहुत ज्यादा अप्रिशिएबल नहीं होती, बिकॉज बॉन्डेड लेबर एक्ट बन चुका है. वीमेन का एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बहुत ही काफी हद तक बंद हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ द वीमेन एम्पावरमेंट. Therefore, I will suggest you to make a better story, and to make a better story, you have to go beyond the stimulus. Try to rewrite it. Go to the project or the higher study level or the problem in the higher studies or the submission of the project or modifying the project or holding up the project because of certain lacking, or just go for the placement, preparation of the placement, go for the offer of the better company and for the better preparation, to join the better company along with the better preparation and better scheduling. And involve that there was a वहां पर काम चल रहा था ऑलरेडी फ्रंट का मॉडिफिकेशन का, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You are required to write a story around the persons and situations shown in the picture. कोई दो औरतें काम कर रही थी, इसका मतलब ये थोड़े है कि वो केवल वीमेन 4 घंटा काम करे उसी पे स्टोरी बनेगी. ऑल्दो दैट इज स्टोरी में ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं हो पा रहा है क्योंकि स्टोरी पैरामीटर में आ रही है. लेकिन you could have gone beyond this level. You are supposed to perform whatever you are expected to perform, and whatever you are expected to perform, you are supposed to perform. And the story should be 100%, not 80% relevant to the situation. And for that, you have to be quite sincere, observational, and you should have ability to perceive what led to the situation from the shown picture or the shown stimulus. चलो रीराइट करो, फिर शो मी टुमारो.
सर मैंने भी इसमें स्टोरी लिखी है.
कौन बोल रहा है?
सर तुशांत.
बोलो तुशांत.
Aman, 21, studying bachelor's in architecture. He is on the site visit of Gandhi Ashram, important for architecture purpose. There, Aman's junior asked for his help in the sketching and drawing of important things like house, pillars related to Gandhi ji.
नहीं, रुको
Uh,
रुको 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 लिखो लिखो.
yes, sir.
Gentlemen, at least 30 second time should be invested to observe the stimulus. And event, EVM, to perceive, imagine, after that make your mind thematically prepared. Make your mind thematically, THEMATICALLY या सिंगल एल होगा, देख लो. Thematically prepared to write a story around the persons and situations shown in the picture. persons and situations